But for one flag, for one name, there were roads that weren't the same. Different voices, different dreams, pulled apart at every seam.
Then a question filled the air: who decides, is this still fair? Hope was quiet, fear was near, but people chose to persevere.
No perfect hearts, no perfect plan, just ordinary women and men. 250 years have flown
Through broken roads and stepping stones.
even divided we've stood as one,
Still reaching for a brighter dawn.
freedom isn't free to keep.
It calls for courage running deep.
May every generation see
The work of hope is never complete.
not one story shaped the land.
Many voices, many hands,
Faith and reason walk together.
through the calm and stormy weather.
Simple songs around the fire.
Lifted courage ever higher.
Words were more than words that day.
They became the price to pay.
Not every cause deserves our soul.
Wisdom knows what makes us whole.
250 years have flown
Through broken roads and stepping stones.
still reaching for a brighter
Dawn.
freedom isn't free to keep.
It calls for courage running deep.
May every generation see
The work of hope is never complete.
when anger tells us choose a side.
May truth be stronger than our pride.
When fear would build another wall.
May we remember we need us all.
The greatest victories are won
Not when every battle's done,
but when we choose through joy and pain.
to build together once again.
250 years have flown
Yet tomorrow's still unknown.
The story isn't finished yet.
There's still a promise left to protect.
Raise your voice but hear the next.
Hold your freedom with respect.
America, your finest art
Has always been the human heart. 250 years today.
May hope still lead us
On.